They make key decisions on the future of education in Idaho. And Wednesday, legislators got a hands-on look at the STEM programs that are vital to future students. It was STEM Matters Day at the State House, a chance for kids to interact with legislators and show them what they're learning about science, technology, engineering, and math. And the executive director of the Idaho STEM Action Center says STEM jobs are critical to Idaho's future.
Idaho is the fastest growing state in the nation. We are second in the nation in tech sector growth. We're third in the nation in job growth, and we lead the nation in wage growth. So we have fabulous opportunities right here in Idaho for our citizens, and this just helps them become aware of those opportunities.
A number of STEM exhibits occupied the first, second, and fourth floor rotunda. They included 3D printing stations and this 11-foot-tall Saturn V rocket built completely from Legos. So cool.
So cool. Man, 10 years ago, my son Gavin would have been over the moon about that. Over the moon rocket. Oh,
I see what you did there.
Anyway, yeah, really cool. Yeah, thanks for that, Jillian. Yeah, let's talk about weather, shall we? Oh, I even got a slow ha-ha in my ear from our producer. Thanks, Katie. Mom joke. Terrible, right? All right, maybe they're better than dad jokes, though, just maybe by a little bit. So let's talk about weather. No joke about this. We have an absolutely beautiful day taking shape. Now